everyone, my name is John Pearson and welcome to my course, Nodes Unraveled, Dynamo for Revit Beginners. I'm a design technology specialist at Parallax team and a member of the Dynamo community. As a design technology specialist, I'm responsible for creating custom tools for Revit, training users in Dynamo and Revit, and streamlining Revit workflows. As a member of the Dynamo community, I manage several Dynamo packages and have helped thousands of users in their Dynamo journey. Dynamo is an extremely powerful visual scripting tool for the AEC industry. The focus of this course is the use of Dynamo to access the Revit API in an unprecedented way. In this course, you're going to discover the ways that Dynamo can make your life easier in Revit by making you more efficient. Some of the major topics that we will cover include getting started in your Dynamo journey, the importance of the Dynamo community, managing Dynamo versions and installations, utilizing a clean code process for our graphs, collecting, filtering, and grouping Revit data, modifying Revit data with Dynamo and pushing that back into Revit, and ways to apply all of these methods in daily practice. By the end of this course, you'll know how to automate mundane tasks in Revit with Dynamo and build upon basic skills to be more efficient with Autodesk Revit. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with Autodesk Revit. After this course, you should feel comfortable diving into even more Dynamo-related courses. This includes advanced Dynamo workflows, using Python in Dynamo, creating generative design workflows, and building custom packages for sharing with the community. I hope you'll join me on this journey to get started with Dynamo and Revit with Nodes Unraveled, Dynamo for Revit Beginners.